Hello everybody. Hello internet, Dalikods here. So I have started a new project, and it's a project about denoising data, removing noise from data, and it is a computer vision project because you have images that have noise, and you're supposed to train a model, a black box function that can identify noise in the data, removes it, and then gives you the clean data. So this project, I've gotten it from Kaggle. So it is called denoising shabby data, shabby pages, sorry. And the shabby pages that we are talking about are, I had plotted it here, but I can share with you. So we have, if you look at this first image, it is a clean image that shows you this text. So this is just an image, and then if you try to look for the same image, hopefully you're seeing this. So let's look at the train, and we look at that first image. So you see this is a clean image, and then this is the dirty image. So the purpose of this project is to train a model that will clean this image from what you see here to this, and that is the project that I am taking on. So far I have created a GitHub repository for it, and I have done some bit of coding. I've imported this. This is image, how importing images from disk. I know there is an efficient way that will import images using tensorflow.data or tensorflow.datasets, but I've spent more than 2 years without doing tensorflow, so it was not clear to me how to import the data and train, because sometimes I would import the data and it would give me errors when I start training. So I think I need to learn something from tensorflow.data. But based on my previous knowledge working with images, I can import it like this. Then from there I could now import my images and then split them into training and testing. Then from there I defined my model as a class. At least I could remember how to do this. So here I have my convolution layers. It is an autoencoder that my class here is called denoising. It is denoising object, but the model that we're working with is an autoencoder, and the autoencoder that I'm creating is based on 3 layers for encoding, and then 3 layers or 4 layers for decoding. And what will happen will be the dirty image will be encoded, and then when it is decoded into a clean image, and this is what I'm training here. So when I get X, I first encode it, and then I decode it, and hopefully the decoded image will be clean. And this is how I started. So this is just initializing the object, and then the loss that I'm using is mean squared error. I'm optimizing it using Adam optimizer, and this is how I've built my compiler. Then I am saving the model in checkpoints. Then I could train the model, and the model has been training for long. I just stopped it. So far the loss has gone down. It was having some bit of noise. It has a lot of noise, more so it is getting confused with the colors, but at least it can regenerate the image, though the image is not so clean. Yeah, so this is what I've done on my first day. Hopefully as I continue training it for the next maybe 1 week, I can be able to make it clean the data. So the purpose of this project is to train the model, Then after training the model and I have a reasonable model that can clean these images, then I can build a product onto it. So I'm planning to have an API, then have maybe a front end using Vue or React. I'm not sure, but I'll continue sharing with you the journey. Then from there, somebody could upload these dirty, shabby pages, and then it cleans and then it returns a clean image. So mostly what I'm thinking about is to have an end-to-end product out of this, and then I continue sharing with you the journey. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this kind of content, give it a thumbs up. Till the next video, take care.